Have you ever wondered how games are created in Python? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of game development, using one of the most versatile and widely used programming languages in the world, Python. Step 1 is always about setting up the environment. To create a game in Python, first ensure that Python is installed on your computer. If it's not, go to the official Python website and download the latest version. Once installed, open your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. Next, we need to install Pygame. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It offers features like graphics, sound, and input handling, which are all essential in game development. To install Pygame, open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install Pygame, then press enter. Just like that, you've got the tools you need to start building your own games. Now let's move to the actual coding process. The first task is to import the Pygame module into your project. Simply type import Pygame at the top of your script, then initialize Pygame using Pygame init. This function initializes all the modules required for Pygame. The next step is to create a game window. This is where all the action will take place. You can create a window by defining its width and height, then setting it using the Pygame display set mode function. With the game window ready, now it's time to create a game loop. A game loop is a continuous process of updating all events, redrawing the screen and handling input. It keeps the game running as long as it's active. Create a game loop using a while loop and use Pygame event get to handle events. Now comes the fun part, adding characters and objects to the game. Pygame allows you to create game characters and objects known as sprites. You can create a sprite by defining its properties such as size, color, and position. Use Pygame sprite to create a sprite and Pygame drawRect to draw it. Finally, it's time to add some action. You can make the sprite move by changing its position in response to user input. Pygame provides functions to detect keyboard and mouse events. Use Pygame key.getPressed to detect key presses and update the sprite's position accordingly. And there you have it. You've just created a basic game in Python using Pygame. Of course, there's a lot more to game development than what's been covered here. You can add more features like sound effects, animations, and AI to make your game more engaging. To summarize, creating a game in Python involves setting up the environment, installing and initializing Pygame, creating a game window, setting up a game loop, creating sprites, and handling user input. With Python and Pygame, the possibilities for game development are vast and exciting. So why not give it a shot? Start creating your own games today.